I'm just driving up the coastline here and I came across something pretty cool. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this because I'm going to do a really bad job at it. Very, very cool. You can go down to the beach there. There's a little walking trail. I'll probably end up going down there just to get a shot from down below here. Shit, guys, look at this. That's a wolf. Too bad. Not good.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling. This heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside. Heading for collision and denial. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untie yourself down, dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Held underwater, fighting for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors
So did I tell you guys that when I was at Mount Carlton that I picked up 4 bags of wood, and if you watch that video you would have saw me bring the wood out and put it beside the tree. Well, an hour later they came around and said there's a burn ban, so I never did get to use the wood, so I just put it underneath the side-by-side. So anyways, we're doing ribs tonight. So I got the ribs all dried off and seasoned, and I use this Killer Hogs. Now a lot of you guys, if you ever watch those you know, cooking shows like with smokers or barbecue, you'll know this guy. So he has about 3 different, so this is his barbecue rub. Sat it there, it was sitting there for about 3 hours, and I now you can see it's all sweated there. And of course now I'm using the tripod and just have the fire fairly low there. I'm just going to cook it fairly slow here. I don't usually like to do it this way on the open fire like this. Obviously it'd be nice to be able to cover this, but right now this is all I got. So, but regardless, it's still going to be awesome. Awesome. There we go. So I'm there's a bee around here, and he just loves to hang around. So I started the fire about an hour ago and had, you know, quite a bit of flames there, and I just waited until it burned down a little bit, so there's not a whole lot of flames, because I just want low and slow, basically. But it's not a bad picture right there. The fire, the tripod and the side-by-side in the background. Could be worse.
Under $1 by photo. Cameraman, t'as après filmé là.
So I'm just going to go head across the road here. Supposedly there's some ATV trails over here, and I don't think there's a whole lot of trails, but I think there's like maybe 4 or 5 kilometers of trail. So we'll just take the old side-by-side out and just go for a little tour. It's another beautiful day here again. Got cool last night, but it's got to be sitting around 22 degrees right now, so absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Won't you pardon me, pretty woman? I couldn't help but see, pretty woman, that you look lonely as to me. Are you lonely just like me? Pretty woman, stop a while. Pretty woman, talk a while. Here comes John singing, and you do the walk. You do the walk of life. Yeah, you do the walk of life.
Et surtout là, il nous reste plus grand temps. Là, vous allez manger. Anyway, si vous ne mangez pas, il va y avoir des restaurants en tabarouette. Ouais, j'espère que oui, vous allez manger. OK. Hey, j'espère que vous allez embarquer avec nous autres là, dans celle-ci. Where it began, I can't begin to know him. Touching hand, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, oh, oh, oh. Good times never seem so good. And it don't seem so lonely. And when I hurt, curtain runs off my shoulders. Touching you, sweet Caroline.
All your videos.
Good times never seem so good. So good. This when I play la danse y la never know. I'm a genie courage, enfermera radio. Oh, good Lord, come on, oh good Lord. This when I play la danse, j'accroche mon chapelet, regardez dans le miroir, en fait ma main, je vous salue ma riche. Don't put my love upon the shelf, she said don't hang on lines and keep your hands to yourself.
Avec leur cœur, leur grotte, tout ce que tu peux leur donner, t'inquiète, là. Puis je suis vraiment impressionné par leur show, puis je suis vraiment impressionné par l'accueil que vous m'avez donné. Je vais avoir 66 ans l'année prochaine. Faites la même chose.
Hey, merci Denis, merci beaucoup.
So it's the morning after the big birthday party last night, so it was a good time. A lot of people had a really good time. But like everything, it's got to come to an end sooner or later. I have to pack up and be heading down the road. I'm not sure how far I'm going to go today or where I'm even going to end up, but right now just taking a look outside. It's kind of rainy, overcast, and pretty quiet. I don't see no other movement, but it's 10:30. I'm going to load up the bike and pack up, and if I see people walking around, I'm going to say bye. If not, I guess I'm just going to head down the road. All right, let's pack up. There's the host there, they're just leaving themselves. She was quite the party. Well, there he is, Denny. Anyways, guys. Oh, we got a visitor coming. So that was a gentleman there from Vancouver, and they're heading towards PEI, so we'll probably maybe run into them again. So, anyways, guys, from a beautiful campground, electric, from a beautiful campground, time to get out of here. So as usual, guys, be good, be kind, be careful. We'll see you guys down the road. Bye-bye.
I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way.